Jeremy at Speedwerx here again, coming to you with some new and exciting news and some great new products here from the team at Speedwerx. Today we are talking about our Stage 1 Exterminator Kit for the 2019 to 2022 Polaris 850 models. As we speak in this video, just the low elevation chassis are done, and the mountain stuff we plan on having released here any day. So mountain guys, if you call and they say it's not available and you're wondering, well, what the hell, you just saw a video, it is, just give us a couple days. We're really close to releasing that. So again, Stage 1 Exterminator Kit, 19 to 20 Polaris 850 models. What these kits consist of, you have an option on our mufflers. You can either do our light and loud or our standard muffler. Great weight savings. If you're looking for a louder type sound, you go with our light and loud. If you want a stock like sound and just want to save some weight, you go with our standard one. Then we get into our Ecu Reflash, going in there changing fuel maps, timing maps, changing a bunch of stuff around. We're not going to get into a bunch of details there because there's a bunch of proprietary information there and we don't want to share our secrets. And then we get into our Hypershift Clutch Kit, which comes with our H5 alloy springs, our new fully adjustable clutch weights for the Polaris models. You have a set screw that runs all the way through the length of the weight, and the set screws are right here. You have an abundance of choices and options there, and you can move the weight around. We do give you a recommended baseline setting where everything's pretty much good, and then you can also adjust them on the tip like a lot of our older stuff with screws and washers here as well. So yes, springs, weights. Then it comes with one of our compound radius lightweight helixes. These are the lightest helixes on the market. Still super strong, super durable. We run them on all the snowcross race sleds. No issues or anything to worry about there. And the 21 and 22 models come with new rollers for the helixes. All of these parts combined, we're seeing a 5 to 6 horsepower gain on the track dyno, which is equivalent to a 10 to 12 horsepower gain at the crankshaft. So really good gains. Awesome performance, great reliability, still just need to run premium pump gas. And then we're also in the field, racing across the lake like in a quarter mile. We're seeing a 1 to 2 mile an hour gain in speed in 1,000 feet. And then we're also the sleds run about 100 to 200 RPM higher, even with the heavier, harder pulling clutching. So again, 19 to 2022 Polaris 850 models. 10 to 12 crankshaft horsepower gain, 1 to 2 miles an hour and 1,000 feet, and a 100 to 200 RPM gain with the heavier clutching. Speedwerx Stage 1 Exterminator Kit. Get your hands on them quick because they're going to go fast.